In this experiment, we're going to test the effectiveness of different catalysts on the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. So we've got 50 centimetre cubed of hydrogen peroxide in each of these 4 measuring cylinders, and we've had 4 different catalysts. We put a bit of washing up liquid in there, and whichever measuring cylinder overflows first is the best catalyst, and we can see one of them starting to overflow right now. So the catalyst we put into that measuring cylinder is manganese dioxide. That's a chemical catalyst. Manganese is a transition metal, and manganese oxide is a transition metal compound. Transition metals and their compounds make good catalysts generally, so we can see that overflowing right now. The other catalysts we've got in these tubes, the one next to that is we put some liver in, and liver contains an enzyme. So enzymes are biological catalysts. They generally work in living things, but they also speed up reactions, so that one's going up quite quickly. The tube on the left, we put some potato in, and that also contains an enzyme, a biological catalyst. And the one on the right is iron oxide, another chemical catalyst, but that seems to be much, much less effective. When the hydrogen peroxide decomposes with the catalyst, hydrogen peroxide will decompose naturally anyway. The catalyst just speeds up that reaction. So when the hydrogen peroxide decomposes, the hydrogen peroxide formula is H2O2. When it decomposes, it forms water, H2O, and oxygen, O2 gas. So the bubbles in this washing up liquid here, encased in the washing up liquid, are oxygen. Now, if we remember, the test for oxygen is to blow a splint, light a splint, blow it out, get a glowing splint, and the oxygen will relight it. Now, it's a bit reticent to relight here because the water around the bubbles is actually not helping the splint relight. But you will see, hopefully, the splint relight in a moment as we pop a few bubbles with the glowing rays. There it goes there. So that is a positive result for a test for oxygen.